Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So earlier I just posted a video which I put also a title design which was the 9 langkah pengajaran giat ni. So someone asked me in the comments, how did you do the design? Can you share with us? So today I am here in this video to cover how did I do the design, and also I will provide you with the template so you can use it in your further presentations. So let's get into it. So first you open a PowerPoint. Okay, so here I recommend you put a dark background because the design we're going to make it a little bit brighter so it can be seen clearly from our eyes. So first things first, you have to press insert, go to smart art, and then click on process, scroll down, choose this one. Okay, arrow ribbon. So I'm just gonna change the color to yellow or orange, something like that. Oh, wait. Okay, and then use the design. I'm gonna take this one, so change the color back. Okay, so for this smart art I'm going to use the font impact, so I'm gonna change here impact. So in this box I'm just gonna leave it blank, and then this one, the title, I just put title just for you to fit yourself in the template I will be giving you. Okay, next, insert again, shapes, choose this one and drag it under the arrow. Well, the design I'm going to do here is to make this into a circular shape around here, so it's up to you to make it edgy or smooth like this. I'm going to choose smooth. So shape outline, no outline, shape fill, light blue. Okay, next we're going to insert the number, which is we're just going to use a word art, which we can type in any number we want, but in this case I will use number 7, and then you select this and change text fill, create texture, and choose this one. And for the outline, choose the color yellow and then tap outline again. Weightage, take 6. So you can see the outline is very thick, so we're just gonna make it bigger. So the number is going to be here and a little bit going to overlap on this shape. So for the number I'm going to use the font Harlow Solid Italic. Yeah, that's good. It's up to you to use any font that you want. I'm just going to use this one for the tutorial. Okay, next I'm going to insert another word title or an elaboration that you want to do for your presentation maybe. So I'm just gonna put it here, and the font is also going to be impact because I want to make all the font the same to give it a common theme. So pull it right to the edge of the blue shape you have here, and then select all, change the text fill to white and text outline to purple, and the text outline again, weightage, choose 2.25. Okay, so it looks good, right? But there are still things that we have to add to make it look more attractive. So we're gonna insert some shapes to make it more colorful. Shapes, press circle, then drag it here. So this circle, it's at the front, right? So to make it go to the back, click on this and then click shape format and then go to send backward. Just tap it a few times until it goes back, and if it goes way back from this picture, so you just have to tap bring forward, so it will be in front of this picture. So for this shape, make it a little bit bigger. So create shape format, shape outline, choose white, shape outline again, weightage will be 6, and shape fill will be red. Okay, one shape settled. And then insert another shape. We're gonna do this on and on. Put it here, shape outline, white, shape outline again, weightage, choose 6 points, shape fill will be yellow. Okay, so leave it there. Then insert shape again. So now we have 2 circles, right? So this time I'm going to insert a square. Insert here and tilt it a little bit, make it bigger, and put it here. So I want this circle to be in front of this square, so I'm going to move this square backward. So click shape format and send backward, backward, and backward, backward again. Okay, so shape outline will be white, white again, shape outline, weightage, choose 6 points, and then for the shape fill, use green. Okay, let's insert another square, put it up here or anywhere you want. As for this tutorial, I'm going to show you to put it up here. Shape outline, white, shape outline again, weightage, use 6, shape fill, take this light blue. Okay, there we go. And then we have already 2 shapes, that is squares and circles. So now I'm going to put a triangle to make it more lively. Triangle. So this is a big one. Put it here, tilt it a bit. Shape outline, choose white. Shape outline again, weightage, 6 points. Shape fill, make it purple. Gradient. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now another triangle, because we want to make it even. 2 squares, 2 circles, and 1 more triangle. Tilt it a little bit. Shape outline white, shape outline again, weightage will be 6, and shape fill with orange. So as you can see here, we already have our design and it's quite colorful, and you can see from the decorative shapes, you can see they are the 3 main colors, which are red, blue, and yellow, and then we have 3 secondary colors, green, orange, and purple. So these colors make a perfect combination and a perfect balance to make our eyes look at it, and it looks really good. So, and now to make it a little bit more shadowy and lively, we're going to make it into some shadow. So choose this arrow we have at the back here, sorry. Okay, and then format, shape fill, it's orange right now, orange. So shape fill, choose gradient, and choose this one, the second box. And there you can see there is a shadow up here. If I undo, you can see the difference. This is just a plain color, and then if we redo that, we have a little bit dark at the top here. So it's like the light is coming from down. So we're gonna do it to all of these shapes. I'm gonna do this too. Shape format for this blue one, shape fill, gradient, use this one, the second last. So you can see the shadow is right down here. And then for the other shapes around here, I'm going to make a random gradient. Just choose any gradient you want, just to make it just not to make it like a plain color like this, to make it just to give it a little bit shadow and highlights. Gradient, just choose anything. You can take any part of the gradient you want. So there you have it. let's look at it at a full screen. So this is the template that I am going to give you, so you can put in the title and your text here, which is the more title if you have it, or some elaboration, or even if you have more elaboration on the title, you can put it down here. It depends on you, and good luck with your design. So this is the design that I am going to share with you. So that's all for the video. Thank you.